Sê môre almal, môre. Jammer man. Ek was net gou besig gewees. Toe slaat die ding af ook. Ja, jammer vir u wat nog geluister het. Daar bel nou iemand van my van Langstrand af. Hy was besig om te luister, toe gaan die ding af en hy wil graag klaar luister. So Langstrandse mense, Robbenstrandse mense. Ja. What I was saying is that we have a big problem in our community. And this is all about, this has to do with drugs in our community. And we are still fighting like Mandrax tablets and all that stuff. And then we have Dagga also, where the youngsters are busy with doing this Dagga. We find the kids, we all heard about the news, the one caught with 15 bankies. I was there that day in the police station when he was there. Young kid, I talked to him and I saw the tears in his eyes when I started talking to him. And this youngsters just need someone that can listen to them, that can talk to them. These youngsters are looking for role models. And I want to plead to all this. I see we have a lot of young men and they are doing this rap. They are rappers and so on. And there's a lot of them. And I think the youngsters are looking up to them and they are role models for these kids. And I want to plead to them that they must engage with these young kids, 12 years, 13 years, 15 years, just to educate them a bit and to help them get rid of this addiction they have. But what I wanted to tell you is early this morning we had a problem. A young lady came in and there were some problems there and we assisted. It was about 5 o'clock this morning. When I took her home, the main thing I saw, the reason for this also is the kids on the street, the youngsters, young boys. I'm talking about young boys on the street. It's bad. People, it's bad. I found one, he was busy doing cocaine. A young boy, young boy. He was doing cocaine. And he was so addicted to this thing. You can see in his eyes, this boy don't know whether he's here or he's in another world. I don't know. But we have a big problem here. So I don't say let's forget about Dagga and stuff. I'm saying we need to focus people. Yes, cocaine. And it's not just now. It's coming on a long time. But the matter of fact is that I just saw it this morning, early morning hours. And I saw this young kid and I saw others. There were other youngsters who used it already. And they were totally out. They were totally out. And we need to help these kids. People, we don't have to judge them. We don't have to say that parents didn't brought them up right, or we don't need to judge. We need to support these kids. I don't know how we're going to do it, but as a community, we can save these kids. People, we're going to lose these kids. And I'm pleading to the community of Walvis Bay, Irongo. It's all over. I know we have this problem all over. Cocaine is in Narwhal. It's in Kuisep. It's in town. Our kids are getting addicted. They don't sleep at night. People, please. And then they go home. They start stealing stuff at home, sell it just to get hold of that. And it's just a little bit on your small finger, just a little bit, just a tip. It's about $500, just the tip of your small finger, people, just that tip. And then they put it up in their nose. It's over, people. And the sellers, they are just smiling all over. And they are making money from our kids. Please, I'm pleading to our community. Let's do something and see how we can assist this youngsters. And I want to applaud the police. I want to applaud the drug squad. I know people are criticizing them when they catch this guys selling drugs. I know it's not the big guys, but they are doing their best. They are not a lot, but they are doing their best. Let's not criticize them. Let's support them. We know who the drug dealers are. We know who are selling, and even you that is listening right now, you know exactly who's using cocaine. You know exactly, and you know who's selling cocaine. Let's stop this. Let's bring it to a stop, to a standstill. Let's get hold of the police. If you don't trust the police or trust someone in that office, talk to someone else or go to another office. There is police people that are willing to assist people. Please, let's help one another. Let's help families. Let's help our kids. And let's win this battle. Stay blessed.
이렇게 가다 보니. 예?